Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change eBay username in a few seconds. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to open your eBay, and after that you want to open your eBay account, and after that you want to click the username in the top left. Okay, you just want to move your mouse to there and then click account settings. As you can see, account settings. Now after you click, guys, on account settings, you will find here a few different options. You want to click on personal information. As you can see, personal information. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, after you click on personal information is you want to sign in. Like, it will ask you for your password. I'm going to enter here my password. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, like I said, is to click on username. As you can see, this is the username, outman12. Now what you need to do, guys, to edit this username or change it, you can just click this edit here. As you can, next to the username, you will find here this small button here, edit. Click on it, and then make sure, if you change your username, you won't be able to modify it again for 30 days. Make sure you add here the username that you really want on your eBay. Now you can just enter the username here and then click save. Okay, that's exactly, guys, how you can add or change a username to your eBay account. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.